Oh my god, I'm so ugly. I don't know how to talk to people. I can't get any girls. I'm not making any money. I'm not proud of myself. Whoa, relax. The good news is that you can do something about it. Actually, there's 5 things you can do about it to glow up your looks, your mindset, and your personality. Starting with number 1, change your mindset. This is the pillar of it. You can't do any of the other steps I'll be mentioning in this video if your mindset isn't right. Because what you say, what you believe about yourself is who you are. It doesn't matter if there's 1,000 people telling you otherwise. If you believe something about yourself, that's who you are. Glowing up stems from your confidence, and that stems from how you perceive yourself. So you need to believe that you're capable of so much more. You're capable of improving your looks, your personality, your mindset. This is something we call an abundance mindset, which is something we've been talking about in my free community called the S tier. Abundance means a lot of, and your mindset is your mindset. So when you have an abundant mindset, you believe that you are deserving of a lot. Whether that be a lot of attraction, a lot of money, a lot of good personality, a lot of positivity in your life, you just believe that you deserve a lot. And because you believe it, you'll get it. Here's a good example. If I told you right now to go get a girl's number, in one scenario, you have to go as you are. Go up to her, talk to her, and try to get her number. In the other scenario, you do the exact same thing, but the only difference is that you get to wear a costume covering your face and your whole entire body. Which scenario do you think you would be more confident in? It would be scenario 2, where you are completely hidden behind the costume. And in that scenario, you would probably end up saying the right things. You would be funny, you would be charming, because you're not scared of anything. You're not scared of being rejected because your ego is hidden behind the costume. This is why in the online world, whether you're playing video games or whether you're in the comment section of a post, you'll tend to be a lot more confident saying things that you usually wouldn't say in real life. So notice that about yourself and change your mindset so that you are proud of yourself, so that you can do these kind of things without hiding behind a mask. And a good way to be proud of yourself is number 2, efforts with achievement. When you put continuous effort into something and over time you get results and you achieve within it, that makes you proud of yourself and therefore makes you more confident in yourself. That could be working out and getting results, learning a digital skill and making money, approaching a girl and getting her number. These are all examples of putting effort into something but then getting result out of it. Because by doing this, you increase your own level of status. It's something that you did on your own, which makes you more confident in yourself. And because you're more confident in yourself, you glow up. Because you can't tell me, oh Pierre, I'm not happy with the way I look, I'm not happy with the way I am, but then when I look at your daily habits, it correlates exactly to why you feel and you look the way you do. And this is part of taking care of yourself, which goes into number 3, improving your physical attraction. When it comes to glowing up, physical attraction is very important, but it's not everything. That's why you still need to listen to the 2 other points I'll be mentioning in this video. I explained this in my past video and I'll say it again. Your physical attraction is what makes people open the door, but what makes people step in and stay in the door is your personality, your confidence, who you are. But if you simply look very good but your personality and your confidence is shit, then this is what's gonna happen. People will open the door, they'll take a step in, and then they'll close it and walk the other way. But no one will ever enter the room if they never opened the door in the first place. So obviously, to increase your physical attraction, work out consistently, get in better shape, be more confident with yourself, with your body. Number 2, get a nice haircut that suits your face shape. 3rd is take care of your skin. Get a nice moisturizer, a nice cleanser, and use them both once in the morning and once at night. Another thing that makes people open that door, the first impression, is how you smell. So obviously, I hope I don't gotta tell you this, but I'm gonna say it anyways because maybe someone that needs to hear it. Shower. Use a loofah, exfoliate your skin. Make sure to shower every day or at least before you go out. Number 2, get a nice fragrance and apply it. Another thing is invest some money into some nice outfits. You don't need to ball out and get designer clothing, but I usually personally suggest going to H&M or Zara, getting some nice pants, tank tops, plain shirts, getting some fleeces, whatever it is you like, whatever suits you. And finally, groom yourself up. Sideburns, shave them. If you want to trim up your body hair, do that as well. If you have some facial hair, clean it up, make it look nice. Now, personally, what I use to groom myself up and clean myself up is Manscaped. And they're actually sponsoring this video as well, which I'm happy about because I actually like their products a lot. And I wouldn't sponsor something on this channel that I don't personally use and I don't personally like. They just have a variety of products for whatever it is you need when it comes to grooming. So they have the beard hedger, which is what I use to trim my goatee, because it comes with this guard, and then you can also adjust it between 0.5 millimeter and 10 millimeter. If you want a silky smooth shave, they have the handyman as well. This, I used it on my sideburns just like that. here as well. Very quick and easy way to just shave it down completely. And then they have the lawnmower for your boys at the bottom. And their products have skin safe trimmer blades to avoid cutting. Trust me, you do not want to cut yourself when it comes to shaving, especially down there. Now for any Manscaped product, you can use my code PRD and you'll get 20% off plus free shipping on your order. That's at manscaped.com. I'll leave the link in the description down below as well. Now getting into number 4, which is crucial, stop giving a fuck. You know, when you're out, when you're around people, you think about how you're walking, how you're talking, how people are perceiving you. This makes you live externally and you're not being your genuine self. And in order to glow up, in order to be confident, you need to be your genuine self. And that starts with not giving a fuck, not caring if you get rejected, not caring if someone likes you or not, just being yourself authentically and genuinely and letting everything else play out. And this goes back to the costume example. When you're hiding behind a mask, it's so much easier to be confident because there's no fear of failure. When you remove that mask, when it's simply you, now you have all the pressure on your shoulders. So I think when it comes to not giving a fuck, it's important to lose, to fail, to get rejected. And you do that by trying the things you're scared of when it comes to social settings. You see a girl and you're scared to go talk to her, just go talk to her. If you get rejected, it's fine. You'll learn a lesson from it anyway. You're scared of making new friends or jumping into this social circle, do it. And if you don't get accepted, that's fine. You'll learn something from it. And by doing that consistently, learning, failing, getting rejected, you'll learn that, damn, the perception that I had of being rejected and failing and the thing I was so scared of is not that big of a deal. I don't give a fuck. And that just exerts a level of confidence that will make people naturally gravitate towards you. And lastly, number 5, improve your communication. One thing I've been doing in this video is talking very fast. But when it comes to communication and talking to others, slow down. When you're in a conversation with someone, it's attractive if you are talking and you're talking slow. You're pausing, you're thinking of what you want to say, then you say it. It makes you seem more level-headed, more confident, and more sure of what it is you're saying. Now, this also comes from a place of being genuine when you talk and not talking just to talk. Just talking because you're scared of that silence and you want to avoid that awkward silence. Talking because you want to be an entertaining person, so you're forcing yourself to just keep talking, keep talking. No, if you don't have anything to say, don't say anything. Be quiet. When you have something to say it. Give your input. This also includes your eye contact and your body language. And the rule of thumb is 80-20. 80% of the conversation you maintain eye contact, while 20% of the conversation you don't. When you're gathering a thought or when you're thinking of something. Now, when it comes to your body language, avoid having your hands in your pockets, crossed. When you're talking to someone, if you want to come off as more confident, be open. Have your legs shoulder width apart. Use your hands when you talk. These are all small adjustments you can do that make you come off as way more confident and overall make you glow up. So good luck, boys. Believe in yourself because that's where it stems from. And you know the drill. I'll see you in the next video.